Alright, back again. The Astro A40s. Um, Once again, same test, same optical cord, same volume, same everything. I'm going to try to determine where that chicken is, what direction he is. Alright, blindfold myself here and let's get to business. Alright, that sounds like he's just like to the left of me. I'm gonna say to the front. Like, I definitely can't see him on my screen. He is to the left of me, hard left, and more front than back. Alright, well, let's see. I'm about 45 degrees from him. He's right there, hard left. And I said he sounded a little bit more behind me. No, in front of me. In front. So, yeah, it's hard to say. I think he's dead center, like 45 degrees, so he's right dead on the left side of me. So I would say that was pretty close. Let's try it again. That to me sounds like it is behind me, like dead center behind me. Ooh, nope, dead center almost in front of me. Alright, well, can't win them all. Let's try one more time. That is definitely to the right side of me. A little bit in the front of me, but definitely like hard right. I can't see him on my screen. So actually, he is directly behind me. Maybe a little bit to the right, but I was pointing right at this car and he's directly behind me. I can say this about Astros. If you're playing games with them, and of course, obviously, that's what you're going to be doing with them. You can tell that something's behind you if you can see the screen. If you hear footsteps in the headset and you don't see anybody on the screen, your brain's going to know that they're coming from behind you. The headset, to me, seems like it does a good job of making the sounds that are behind you sound different than sounds that are in front of you. But unless you're actually looking at the screen, it's hard to determine if somebody is in front or in back of you. So I would say for gaming, the Astros do a good job of it. Not as good as the Triton AX Pros, or even the AX360s once you get those kind of calibrated. So yeah, I'm gonna do one test. I'm just gonna spin around and try to get the chicken to get right behind me with the headset or with the blindfold on. That sounds like it's right in front of me. I'm going to say that is them directly behind me. Yep. So there you go. That's him directly behind me. You know, if you're focusing on the sound, and you could compare what you're hearing when you're spinning around like that. I can hear it kind of going around me. So I can tell that something's in front of me. It's a little bit louder. It's a little more defined, the sound. So when I hear it go past me to the left side, and it's in behind me, I know that it's behind me. And that's because I have something else to go off of. But just being blindfolded and spinning the camera around and trying to determine where that sound is without having any reference, I would say would be almost impossible with the Astros. That's my opinion.
Team deathmatch. Show no mercy. It is a draw. Stand down.
Sine sweep from 20 kilohertz to 20 cycles.